How would you like to look out over the Barcelona skyline from the comfort of your own home? Spectacular views and a communal swimming pool and a spa are just a few of the many benefits offered by the new NN Diputació 459 rental development. The building is located in El Fortpier, a neighborhood with great transport links spanning between Passeig de Sant Joan, Avinguda Diagonal y Gran Via, just around the corner from La Sagrada Familia y la Plaza de la Monumental. The neighborhood has plenty of green spaces and lots of great commercial and cultural activity. Come and live in a residential complex with 20 apartments with 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, all with a balcony. On the first floor, the 2 residential properties overlooking the Manuel de Pedrolo Gardens will be a peaceful oasis for your everyday life thanks to the large terrace with private swimming pool and interior courtyards. Let's get inside. Opening onto the living room, the kitchens are fully equipped with high-performance integrated electrical appliances. The bedrooms have built-in wardrobes and large windows that let the natural daylight flood in all day long. As always, this is a sustainable building that uses solar energy to heat the domestic hot water. With high-efficiency ducted heating and air conditioning and underfloor heating, aluminium window frames with low-emission noise reduction glass, folding shutters on the balconies to prevent sun radiation, and interior blinds. Moreover, there are 2 commercial premises on the ground floor of the building, as well as storerooms and optional parking spaces for cars, motorcycles and bicycles. Your comfort is our driving force. To ensure quality of life now and in the future, our developments contribute towards reducing our carbon footprint and saving money, making your consumption more efficient. Call us on 93-405-0101 or go to www.nyn.es.